In this video, I will show you how to create a professional-looking logo in Canva for free using a few simple elements. Let's get started. I'll start on the Templates page and head over to the Logo section to see the available styles. Instead of using a pre-made template, I'm going to start with a blank canvas to build my design from scratch. First, I'll open the Elements tab on the left and search for a decorative circle. I'll browse through the graphics until I find a clean, simple circular border. Once I select it, I'll scale it up to fill the center of the canvas. Next, I'll clear my search and look for a tree outline to place in the middle. I'm looking for something detailed yet minimalist. When I find the right one, I'll drop it into the center of the circle and adjust the size so it fits perfectly within the frame. Now it's time to add some text. I'll add a text box and type in the brand name, Nesta. To give it a more refined look, I'll open the font menu and scroll through the options until I find a classic serif style. With the text selected, I'll go into the Effects menu and choose the Curve option. I'll adjust the curve intensity so it follows the top arc of the circle, and then increase the letter spacing for a cleaner, more premium feel. I'll do the same for the tagline, typing out "Crafting the Extraordinary." I'll move this to the bottom and apply the curve effect again, but this time I'll drag the slider in the opposite direction so it wraps perfectly along the bottom edge. After a few final tweaks to the positioning and alignment, our custom logo is complete. Thanks for watching, and now you can easily design your own unique brand logo right in Canva.